Good morning, everybody. It's gonna be a crazy week ahead. So many earnings, so much stuff going on. Let's see what's going on. All right. So I was like, "What is this? This is gold chart. It looks very strong." So let's take a look at GLD. I mistakenly clicked on GC. Anyhow, let's go on ES. So ES 5 minutes is up and everything is upward right now. All we need is the daily MACD golden cross. Once that golden cross, it can go crazy. I want to show you guys something. So far, market came like this up. So another thing that's something that's possible to happen is that when market start squeezing up higher, and that's when the premium is gonna go even more crazier, and that's when it starts like suddenly go higher like this. So if I can show you guys on Tesla, that's what it's mostly happen on parabolic move. I mean, nobody expect indexes to go parabolic, but the stocks individuals do. So just want to show you guys that it is a possibility that I mean, if we go crazy and pass 20, if some earnings be good this week, like Apple or Amazon or some set of good, if we get some good set of earning this week, there is a chance that maybe market goes crazy. So keep an eye on the daily MACD golden cross. But in general, I am still predicting September or end of August some a bloodbath. So we'll see. I mean, we'll see what happens. Um, Anyhow, today pre-market 5:15, everything looking upward for our. We went down in the it opened a green, went down, then went higher right now, and pre-market we are up. So and as always, if 15:30 MACD dead crosses, we can go down again. But for now, direction is up. NQ, same thing. It was actually stronger last night. It was more greenish than what it is right now. It's paired with ES, same almost same percentage, but it came up. It's green, and we'll see how it goes. If the 1 hour golden crosses, then we can run up higher. Next target on NQ is 16,036.14. Dow Jones. It had a red day on Thursday, but then it recovered almost on Friday. Um, so anyhow, right now it's upward. If the 4 hour gets golden cross and passes the high of Thursday, then we can run up higher. Keep an eye on Dow Jones. It seems like that's the one that wants to make the new all-time high. Good morning, Josh. Um, yeah, the market is gonna move crazy this week, so we'll see. TNX. It's hovering below 40.42. If it goes above it, then it can get dangerous. Market already observed the move on the TNX and the BOJ news and everything. As long as TNX stays under 40.42, market is okay with it. So far, it seems like. But if it passes 41.42 or 41 of the last high that it made at the beginning of July, then it can be trouble. For now, direction is not as clear on the technicals. Gotta pay attention to the price action and keep an eye on always on the TNX. DXY, not a clear direction, just up and down, but five is a little bit downward, but coming up here right now. 15, I mean, just very mixed signal here right now. 4 hours about to dead cross right now at 9 a.m. Just did a dead cross. So if it goes to 101.37, market can rip up higher. If it goes to 101.914 and passes, market can pull back. So just keep that in mind. Wicks 4% higher. Again, weekly MACD golden cross, and this is a sign that it's a possibility that August, September bloodbath maybe comes. Maybe just be prepared. Um, Anyhow, pre-market direction 5 is up, 15 is just flat, 30 and 1 hour on the edge can go higher or lower. 1 hour and 4 hour is upward. So keep an eye on the VIX. If VIX jumps, market can sell off, and if it goes below 1373, market can continue going higher. BTC need to get over 30K to get interesting. It was interesting last night that Coin News came out that they can't trade other things. So not so far, not so much big effect, but we'll see if it's gonna be serious. Well, BTC is safe, but other cryptos, they're too much attached to other Ethereum and other things. So keep an eye on the news. Something interesting maybe comes. But overall, in general, I'm still bullish on BTC. But another thing to keep in mind is that the weekly MACD is dead crossing. That's not a good sign. But it's holding 29K. If it goes below 28K, then it's gonna be a little bit scary. Um, Apple pre-market right now got an upgrade and has earning this week. Need to pass 196.96. If it passes that one, we're looking at 197.94, 199.52, 201.1. Pre-market 15:30, 1 hours. Everything is upward. If the daily MACD golden crosses and passes 196.96, we're going for looking for fly up. And if this week we pass 198.23, there is a high chance we fly up higher. My target, we'll see what Apple earning comes. When we get close to it. Amazon pre-market right now 1 point higher. Pre-market 15 and 30 is a little bit flat, 1 hour same, so just need to pay attention to the price action. Two key level to watch: 134.77 and 133.34. Passes each one, it can go for a bigger move. Interesting that 4 hour we're getting yellow bar, so there is a chance for run up. This week has an earning past 134. We're looking at 136.19, 137. There is a possibility to get to 140. I mean, they had a great Prime Day this year, so there is a chance people love them. So we'll see. Nvidia ON had an earning, so that affected semis this morning. It helped them. Gotta pay attention again to the price action. 15 and 30 is upward. 1 hour is not golden cross yet. 4 hour we're getting a light blue bar. If it passes 470, we're looking at 471, 474, and 480. Yeah, AMD has earning this week, so these are all have big effect. The QCOM too. Next one is Baba. Baba expected more gap up. It went down and then it come up again. So the opening flat. Pre-market right now 15 is up, 5 and 30 no clear direction. 4 hour we're getting a dark blue bar, which I don't like it. When I see an uprise name dark blue bar, that means be cautious. Anyhow, if it goes below, it's hovering around 186. So two key level to watch is 101.41, 102.11. Passes those, it can go to the next levels: 102, 103, 104.77. But if it goes below 100, next support is 99.6 and 98.83. Bidu 2 points higher, stronger than Baba so far. 4 hours still bullish, daily and weekly very bullish, but 15 and 30 I don't like it. They're curving down and we got already dark blue bar. So 157, 156.94. If you can't hold it, we're looking for lower level 155 and 153.26. But if it jumps out open and passes 157.86, we're looking next target 159.35, 160.84. Netflix is starting to coming up. 4 hour, we're getting light blue bars and it start coming up. It's all about 4:30. It's still bearish on the daily. We got red bars. Weekly is MACD is curved down. Need to pass 4:30. Pass 4:30, then it's gonna get interesting. But until then, it's probably gonna be yo-yo up and down between 400 and 4:30. Meta after earning it went down, then it up again, and it just right now daily is about to golden cross. That's interesting. That happened on Friday, but pre-market direction right now it's not clear. It's hovering around 324.36. So two key level to watch is 320.4 and 327.06. Passes either one, it can have a bigger move. Past 327, we're looking at 331, 335. And if it goes below 320 and lower level is gonna get retested. 15 and 30 is downward. 1 hour is dead cross pre-market. So there is some weakness there due to trade. Trade is not so much getting attention, so that's causing issues for the Meta. Tesla. Nice, just 1.2 points higher. 4 hour, we're getting light blue bars and it's running up. That's something interesting that's happening. But again, same thing like Netflix, we're still bearish on daily and weekly. We have dark blue bar, but the MACD is still upward. So I mean, we got dark blue bar, but MACD is not curved down. It's still upward. And what you need to pay attention is 269 and 272. Passes those, it's gonna get interesting. If it can hold 266, then it can retest 264, 262, 260.41. Pre-market 5 is down, 15 is curved down, and 30 in no clear direction, and 1 hour flat. Microsoft That one again, same thing. This waiting to see other earnings. Need to pass 338.85 for run up to the higher level 341, 344, 348. And if it goes below 336, next support 333 and 331. 5 is down, 1530 not clear direction together, and same thing 1 hour. 4 hour we got a golden cross, but it's holding up. It's just mixed signal, not clear direction. Google had a nice earning, but it's holding up. Is probably gonna make a bull flag for now, and then we'll see if it breaks out. 4 hours dead crossing, so the weakness is confirming there. Not clear direction on the 5, 15, 30. Need to break. It's hovering around 132.71. So if it jumps up, it can go to 133, 133. If it jumps up and past 130.26, it can go 134.15 and 135.59 next. But the pullbacks on this one is very small, so there's more chance for run up. It has a very strong earning. AMD, keep an eye on this one. It has earning this week, and it's been lagging behind. I tell you something now. We observed this season is that the names that went high a lot, like Microsoft, like Netflix, like Tesla, they're pulling back after earning, or they're not so much stronger. They're pulling back. But the names that didn't go up and they've been lagged behind, they're jumping, like Boeing, like Google. So AMD is in the category that lagged behind. I mean, it went to 130, but it pulled back a lot. So keep an eye on AMD. Maybe it has a good earning. 5 is down, 15 is downward right now, and the 30 is curved down. 1 hour, 4 hours still bullish, and the daily we're getting a little bit curve up. So 115.47 is a key level to watch. Passes that one, it can have a big jump up to the higher levels, 116, 117, 118, 73. And keep in mind, there is a chance that it does have a pre-earning run-up. As always, any names possible to have a earning is tomorrow after close. So if the 30 MACD dead crosses, and then again next support 112.98, 112.21. Boeing. The pre-market right now, 5 is down, 15 is curve down, not clear direction. Need to pay attention to the price action. 4 hours is a little bit curved down, but it's flat. Still chance to run up higher. 240.36 passes. We're looking at 241.65, 243.29. My next long target is 249 and 255.69 next. This one, every dip is a buy on it. SPY, nice jump up. It went down actually. It was interesting. I was watching the futures last night, and with the options on it, it went down and then up. And right now it's back to 457.78. So the high is 459.44. So it needs to pass that one for running up higher. But for right now, direction is up. So if it continues jumping at open, next target is 459.04. Above that, 461.09 and 463.13. If it cannot hold 457.78, if the 15 and 30 MACD dead crosses and then market start pulling back, next support 455.93, 454.48. In case disaster happen, these are the lower level. QQQ. Good morning, Daniel. And QQQ. This one need to pass 385. 15 we already get a dark blue bar. 1 hour we're getting a dark blue bar, so there is some weaknesses there for passing 385, but if it passes, we're looking at 387.33 and all-time high of this year, 387.98. Again, if 1530 MACD dead cross, next support 382.66 and 379.77. What else? You got LRCX, somebody asked. So 726. So ON had a good earning. All the semis are a little bit opening up, gapping up open today. So this one, 5 is up, 15 is about to golden cross. 30, if 30 same happens, then it can jump up big. So if you see a jump up at open past 726, next target is 731. If it passes 731, we're looking at 739, 746, and 753. If AMDQ come earning is good this week, 750 is easy come, and possibly maximum 774. This name is very, very bullish. Look at just the daily and weekly. This name is crazy right now. What else you got here? New gapping up. This name is again very bullish on the daily, weekly. You can see the MACD how it's just ramped up. So sky is the limit on this one, and I posted before 1634 passes. We're looking at next target 1753, 18.5, 1947. It's a good long-term play. AVGO, nothing exciting happening pre-market. Need to see the opening action. SMCI just keeps going. Next target is 340, 350.44. XBIV actually gapping down. I have to check if there's any news on it. Roku, nice flyer on Friday. It was just crazy. As soon as it opens, you can see the jump, and it's something you see jump like that, and then as soon as it opens, 1530 MACD golden crosses. I mean, this is something that can happen to any name. Any name that has a good earning and it's been lagging behind and it's been down so much and it jumps at open after earning. I mean, it's just you have to catch it as soon as you can. So anyhow, 1530 MACD golden cross, and you can see here 30. It never gave a dark blue bar until after close. 15 gave a dark blue bar midday, but then 5 minutes. You can see here as soon as the 5 minutes golden cross confirmed here, it had another run up into the close. So these are small tricks. It's interesting to know. Anyhow, Roku at the open, what you want to watch is 9209. Passes that one, we're looking at 96.15 next target, and next long target after, if it passes 96, looking at 115.12 for long term. PayPal, it's possible to have a good earning this season. Keep an eye on that one. What else we got here? Um, Owen had an earning 4 points higher, 110.7. That's the target that is already reached. SoFi had an earning, that's a jumper there. So 1023. So right now, this last season, the high was 1023, and right now is at 10.8. So if it passes 10, right now it's continue going higher. So next target right now is 1125, 1167, and 1208. 1208, it is small chance. Who knows? Maybe comes. If it passes that one, we're looking at 1267, 13.42. Pre-market right now 5, 15, 30, 1 hour. Everything is looking upwards. So keep an eye on SoFi, possible jumper. Mo has earning after close. Caterpillar, same thing. That's pretty much it. PLTR. Somebody asked. Baba, I went over it. PLTR. So this one, it's on the run. Just need to pass 19. It passes 19. That was the high of last few weeks. So right now is 19.12. My next long target as this one is 20.8. Passes that one. We're looking at 25.42, 30.04. Very bullish on weekly. Daily needs to golden cross. Once that happens, it can go for another run up. Let me look at GLD. It was very bullish pre-market. Yeah, 15.30. This is very up to. Just daily is not clear sign. It's just up and down based on news going up and down. All right, that's pretty much it. Best of luck today. There's lots of earning coming up. As always, if you like, please like, subscribe, and share. And it's Sayed Option Service and chartwiser.com for levels. And have a beautiful day. Thanks for tuning in. There